We began with a design charrette back in the spring where we talk over our main exhibit ideas and establish some of our exhibit goals and some of the direction that the exhibit's going to take. So from there, then we go into the design development phase of the exhibit. From the introduction, you can see that our exhibit isn't necessarily going to be linear. So it's not our intent that visitors have to see one section before they see another section. This exhibit is going to look at how we study evolution more specifically. So we have an introduction, and then we divided the content into an outdoor wet lab area and an indoor dry lab area. So from there then, we did a design development in our schematic phase. We have all of our exhibit elements as these freestanding modules. So there will be a freestanding module that concentrates on each of these different areas. We have translucent acrylic back panels you see here. This is a freestanding unit, and you can see this is a back panel here. This is a top view, back panel, and a brace. We'll have graphics on those. This is the beginning of kind of this development into these modules. So the idea would be that the fieldwork section, the wet lab section, those three modules would have a similar look and feel so that it will visually indicate to the visitor that these are similar to each other in content and intent. We have had the opportunity to get some micro CT scan of some bivalves with Mark Riccio of the micro CT scan facility at Cornell University. And he was able to scan a mussel and a clam for us. And so we're going to use a spin browser, which is a kind of technology that allows the visitor to go through that footage at their own speed, quickly, slowly, and to really investigate the interior anatomy of those bivalves. So now in the process, the USA, who's our fabricator, will be doing a budgeting run through for us to make sure we're still on target to where we want to be, and that we'll be able to implement all the elements we have so far have been designed.